To me, a career in our field today encompasses many, many different types of placements, from the wall to the printed page to licensing for all different kinds of contexts. So that means that you've got to be aware of lots of different business models. So understanding how a magazine works and how a photo editor makes decisions in tandem with other staffers, understanding the curatorial acquisitions policies of a museum venue, understanding the audience that a gallery has to be mindful of. They could love your work, but their audience for the gallery may not be ready for it. So a rich career today involves all those placements and all those wonderful colleagues in your life, but a lot of learning. That's the kind of thing we're going to talk about in class.